Welcome to Life in English podcast. I'm Kevin, and I'm so happy to be here with you all today.
And I'm Jen. Hi everyone, it's another great episode for learning English in a fun way.
Yes, exactly. So, today we are going to talk about something very interesting and common, hobbies and free time activities.
Oh, I love this topic. It's all about what we do for fun, right?
That's right. Hobbies are things we enjoy doing when we are not working or studying. They make life more fun.
Absolutely. And talking about hobbies is a great way to practice English because it's personal and easy to discuss.
So, let's start with the basics. First, we need to know some key words and phrases.
Good idea. Let me think. Common hobbies include reading, watching movies, playing sports.
Yes, and listening to music, cooking, gardening, or even collecting things like stamps or coins.
Oh, collecting. That's a cool one. I used to collect postcards when I was a child.
Really? That's nice. So, to talk about hobbies, we often use verbs like love, enjoy, or hate.
For example, I like reading books. Or, I enjoy playing video games.
Exactly. And we can say in my free time, or on weekends, to specify when we do these activities.
In my free time, I usually watch TV series. How about you, Kevin?
Well, in my free time, I often go for a walk or meet friends. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll share more later.
Haha, okay. So, for our listeners, let's list some common hobbies. Repeat after us if you can.
Reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading.
Watching movies. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G-M-O-V-I-E-S. Watching movies.
Playing sports. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G-S-P-O-R-T-S. Playing sports.
Listening to music. L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G-T-O-M-U-S-I-C. Listening to music.
Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking.
Gardening. G-A-R-D-E-N-I-N-G. Gardening.
And collecting things. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-N-G. Collecting.
Great. Now, how do we use these in sentences? For instance, I like reading books.
Or, he enjoys playing football. Remember, after like or enjoy, we often use the in form of the verb.
Right. So, she loves cooking Italian food, or they hate watching boring TV shows.
Haha, yes, nobody likes boring TV shows. But let's practice a bit more. Listeners, try to make your own sentences.
For example, say in my free time, I. And then add your hobby. Like, in my free time I listen to music.
Perfect. Now, moving on to main concept 1, basic concepts and key vocabulary. We've covered some, but let's go deeper.
Yes, so hobbies can be indoor or outdoor. Indoor hobbies are done inside, like reading or cooking.
And outdoor hobbies are done outside, like hiking, cycling, or playing basketball.
Some hobbies are active, like sports, and some are relaxed, like painting or knitting.
Knitting? Oh, that's interesting. My grandmother loves knitting sweaters.
Oh, that's sweet. So, hobbies can also be social or solo. Social means with other people, like team sports.
And solo means alone, like writing in a journal or solving puzzles.
I love doing puzzles, especially jigsaw puzzles. They can be so relaxing.
Really? I find them frustrating sometimes when I can't find the right piece. Haha.
Haha, I know what you mean. But back to vocabulary, we also have phrases like to take up a hobby, which means to start a new hobby.
Yes, for example, I want to take up photography, or she took up yoga last year.
And to give up a hobby means to stop doing it, like I gave up playing guitar because I was too busy.
Oh, that's sad. But sometimes hobbies change over time. Now, let's talk about why hobbies are important.
Well, hobbies help us relax, reduce stress, and learn new skills. They make us happy.
Absolutely. And they can help us meet new people with similar interests.
So, listeners, if you don't have a hobby, maybe it's time to take one up. Start with something simple.
Good advice. Now for main concept 2. Let's dive into the nuances. Jen, what's your favorite hobby?
I have a few. But I really enjoy dancing. I take dance classes every week.
Dancing? That's cool. What kind of dance?
Mostly salsa and bachata. It's so much fun, and I've made many friends there.
That sounds great. I like hiking. On weekends, I often go to the mountains with my dog.
Oh, you have a dog? What's its name?
His name is Max. He loves hiking too. It's our special time together.
Oh, that's adorable. So, hobbies can be shared with pets or family members.
Yes. And sometimes, hobbies can become expensive. Like if you collect rare coins or play golf.
Haha, true. My friend is into photography, and he spends a lot on cameras and lenses.
But there are also cheap or free hobbies, like reading books from the library or walking in the park.
Exactly. It's all about what you enjoy. Now, let's share a funny story. Once, I tried to learn knitting, and it was a disaster.
Ha ha ha, why? What happened?
I wanted to make a scarf, but it ended up full of holes and too short. It looked like a net.
Oh no. Haha. Well, at least you tried. I have a similar story. I tried cooking a fancy recipe and I burned everything.
Haha, cooking can be tricky, but practice makes perfect, right?
Right? So, don't be afraid to try new hobbies, even if you're not good at first.
And hobbies can change with seasons. In summer, people often swim or go to the beach.
In winter, maybe skiing or staying indoors with hot chocolate and movies.
Hot chocolate. Now I'm hungry. Haha. But seriously, seasons affect our free time activities.
Yes. Also, with technology, new hobbies have emerged, like streaming videos or playing online games.
That's true. But it's important to balance screen time with physical activities.
Good point. Now, let's move to our model dialogue. We'll role-play a conversation between two friends talking about hobbies.
Okay, imagine we are at a cafe, and we just met. I'll start.
Hi Jen, how are you? Long time no see.
Hi Kevin, I'm good, thanks. How about you? What have you been up to?
Oh, not much. Work keeps me busy. But in my free time, I've been hiking a lot.
Hiking? That sounds fun. Where do you go?
Usually to the national park near the city. It's beautiful there, especially in autumn.
I bet. I prefer indoor activities, like dancing. I take classes twice a week.
Dancing? That's cool. What kind of dance do you learn?
Mostly Latin dances, salsa and bachata. It's a great workout and so enjoyable.
I should try that sometime. But, I'm not a good dancer. Haha.
Haha, don't worry. Everyone starts as a beginner. You should come with me one day.
Maybe I will. So, do you have other hobbies?
Well, I also like reading mystery novels and watching comedy shows on TV.
Nice. I enjoy watching sports, especially football. But I don't play much anymore.
Football is popular. Do you watch games with friends?
Yes, sometimes we meet at a bar to watch big matches. It's very social.
That sounds like fun. I should join you one time, even though I don't know much about football.
Sure, you're welcome. It's always more fun with more people.
Great. So, what about your family? Do they have hobbies too?
My wife loves gardening. She grows vegetables in our backyard. And my son plays video games, of course.
Haha, typical. Video games are a big hobby for many people.
Yes, but we try to balance it with outdoor activities. Anyway, it was nice catching up, Jen.
You too, Kevin. Let's meet again soon for that dance class or football game.
Definitely. Bye for now.
Bye. So, that was our model dialogue. Listeners, did you catch all the phrases?
We use sentences like, in my free time, I've been hiking, I take classes, and I enjoy watching.
Right. Now, for tips and review. Let's go over the key takeaways from today's episode.
First, remember common hobby vocabulary: reading, watching movies, playing sports, etc.
Second, use verbs like, love, enjoy followed by ing form. For example, I like swimming.
Third, to talk about when you do hobbies, say in my free time, on weekends, or after work.
Fourth, hobbies can be indoor or outdoor, social or solo. Choose what suits you.
Fifth, don't be afraid to try new hobbies or give up old ones. It's all about having fun.
And finally, practice talking about your hobbies in English. It's a great conversation starter.
Yes, now, let's do a quick review. Repeat after me. My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading. Good. She enjoys dancing.
She enjoys dancing. They play football on Saturdays.
They play football on Saturdays. Perfect. Keep practicing these sentences.
Now for our conclusion. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Life in English podcast.
Yes, thank you for listening. Remember, hobbies make life colorful, so find what you love and talk about it.
And now, our viral call to action. We want to hear from you, our listeners.
Tell us in the comments below. What is the most unusual or weird hobby you have or have heard of? Try to answer in English.
Yes, share your answers on YouTube. We'll read them and maybe feature them in a future episode.
So, don't be shy. Let's start a fun conversation about weird hobbies.
Thank you again for joining us. This is Kevin, signing off.
And this is Jen. Bye everyone. Keep learning and having fun with English.
Bye!